Good morning. It is very early on Monday morning and I need to pack my kids' lunches and snacks for the week. I usually try and prep these on Sunday, but I didn't get to it this week, and so I wanted to take you along with me and show you kind of how I lay things out and prep everything once to save time so that I don't have to get up and do this every single morning. So the first thing I do is try and break into the pantry here and get out what I'm going to need. This room is a disaster. One of these days I will organize it, but I'm gonna grab some stuff, lay it out on the counter, and we'll go from there.
If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Amber. I'm a mom of 3 boys, ages 2, 5, and 7. I work full-time and have a side business, so this is one of the ways that I have found to really save time and make sure we're prepared for each day. Now, when my kids get a little bit older, I will of course have them pack their own snacks, but since they're so little, this is what works best for me right now.
So let me show you some of the things that I typically send my kids for lunch. We love these nuts and berries from Costco. Very healthy. There's nothing super sweet in them except for dried fruit. Our family's gluten-free, so these Glutino breakfast bars are super yummy. We also like these Nature's Bakery gluten-free fig bars. We do a lot of kind of fruit roll-ups, raisins, applesauce. I'm obsessed with these Kind breakfast protein bars. I even eat them myself usually for a breakfast on the go. And then these are amazing. These are Nick sticks. They're grass-fed and just really, really healthy beef jerky sticks that have no preservatives or no anything bad. And so my kids really love them, and I feel good because then I know my kids are getting protein. And then, even though these aren't the healthiest, these Nature Valley Crunchy bars are something that my kids really, really love to eat. So I at least want to make sure that they're eating their snacks as opposed to just sending this stuff and have it go to waste.
After I've decided what I'm going to pack them for the week, then I clear off the counter again and start portioning out the food into 3 different rows, 1 for each boy, and 5 different piles, 1 for each day of the week. I typically send 4 snacks a day for each kid, 2 for the morning, 2 for the afternoon, and I like to make sure that one of the snacks is pretty high protein, the other one can be sweet or more of a fun treat kind of snack. I always have to really remember to include the plastic spoon. My 5-year-old and 2-year-old don't usually eat both of the Nick sticks or the granola bars that are in a package, so I typically put 1 of each into a Tupperware, and that helps me spread out the food and make sure none of it goes to waste. What kinds of snacks do you give your kids? Comment below. I would love to get some more ideas.
I totally forgot to get out these Snyder's gluten-free pretzel sticks as well. My kids love these. So as you can see, I'm sort of portioning things out here, and I go ahead and put whatever needs to be individually portioned out into a Ziploc bag and then lay things out by kid. So I have a row of things for my oldest son, and then for my youngest son, and then my middle son, and of course, you know, everybody's picky and they won't all eat the same thing, which is why there's a little bit of variation across child. Coffee break.
On weeks when I'm really on top of things, I put everything into Tupperwares instead of these Ziploc baggies, but I hadn't quite caught up on dishes over the weekend, so I'm just using baggies for now.
Okay, I'm almost done. My kids are starting to wake for the day, so I need to wrap this up. But the next thing I'm gonna do to just finish everything out is put everybody's snacks in individual gallon Ziploc bags. That way they're really easy and ready to pull out every day. We're good to go.
Once each bag is packed, I take the 5 bags per kid and put them into separate grocery sacks so that each morning I can just pull out the right bag for each boy and we can get on our way without any extra time or hassle. I hope you found this video helpful. If it gave you some inspiration and ideas, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe for 2 new videos a week where I share inspiration, exasperation, hacks, and healthy living recipes. Thanks for watching. Have such a good day.